Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your home for elite performance gear and premium gaming tech. Today, we're spotlighting one of the most refined and powerful gaming laptops on the market, the Razer Blade 15, equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, a 13th Gen Intel 14-core i7, and a silky smooth 240Hz QHD display. This isn't just a gaming machine, it's a mobile powerhouse wrapped in CNC-milled aluminum that looks just as premium as it performs. Let's break it down. Under the hood, you've got the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13800H, a 14-core monster that handles everything from AAA gaming to heavy creative workloads like 4K editing, streaming, and rendering. Multitasking seamless. Performance unmatched. Backing that up is the RTX 4070 GPU, bringing real-time ray tracing, DLSS 3, and next-gen AI-powered graphics. You'll crush modern titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, and Call of Duty on ultra settings with frame rates that scream and visuals that stun. And to truly unleash that power, you've got a 15.6-inch QHD display with a 240Hz refresh rate. That means ultra-fluid gameplay, razor-sharp clarity, and a competitive edge whether you're deep in esports or immersed in cinematic adventures. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 1 TB PCIe SSD, load times are virtually non-existent. Apps open instantly, levels load fast, and you've got room for your entire game library and creative files, all with headroom for upgrades down the line. Now let's talk build. The chassis is crafted from a single block of aluminum with an anodized matte black finish. It's durable, sleek, and thin, making the Razer Blade 15 one of the most portable premium gaming laptops out there. You also get Thunderbolt 4, advanced Wi-Fi 6E, customizable Chroma RGB lighting, a large precision glass trackpad, and ultra-quiet cooling, all wrapped into one of the most thoughtfully designed laptops on the market. Running Windows 11, this laptop balances aesthetics, portability, and raw power, a dream setup for gamers, creators, and power users alike. Ready to level up? Click the link in the description to experience the Razer Blade 15 for yourself, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the next premium review. See you next time.